My name's Jackie Quinn and I work for NASA at the Kennedy Space Center, and I'm an environmental engineer. I've had an opportunity to kind of look at the science that's out there and try to solve some of the problems that NASA has with respect to environmental cleanup. And one of them has been the SPEARS technology. That's the Sorbent Polymer Extraction and Remediation System. One of the problems that we do have here on our planet is polychlorinated biphenyls. They're a chemical that was prolifically used in multiple places. We find it as an additive in electrical transformer oils. It was used in paint, it was used in adhesives, in some of the caulking that we find in older buildings. It was actually a chemical that we stopped manufacturing in the late 70s, but we do find it almost ubiquitously throughout the globe. And it is a problem that has become part of our sediment systems, the mucky layer that's below the water column in our lakes and rivers and our harbors. And so this technology that I've been working on is actually designed to address that chemical concern in that environment. SPEARS is a spike system. It's a design that we actually are looking at now for full scale. And we actually have these spikes and we fill them right here in the center. We fill them full of ethanol and then we seal them and then we put them down into the sediment system, and that's how we start the process of moving PCBs from the sediment system onto the plastic part of the spike, and then they migrate inside into the ethanol interior. There are other contaminants that we find in sediment systems that may behave similarly, and we're starting to look at those. So this might not be just a technique for PCBs, it may be a technique that could be expanded to include other items of concern, such as pesticides or contaminants that might behave similarly to PCBs. So we're not just a one-shot type of cleanup technique. It may affect some of the PAHs, the chlorobenzenes, the deldrins, some of the pesticides that we see in the subsurface.